Good morning children. Welcome to Narayana Live class assignment of day 6 class 12. So here is the first question. 99,999 plus 1 is equal to, so they have given the three options. So we will solve that and we will check which is the correct option. So first I am going to write 99,999 and they have given plus 1. So 1 I have to write in the ones place, right? So ones place I am writing 1. So we are adding, so addition symbol. So we will add this 9 plus 1 10, 1 carry, 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 9 plus 1 10. So I got the answer now. So we have to place the commas and we have to check. So ones, tens, 100, comma, 1000, 10,000, comma, and this is the lakh place. So what answer we got? It is 1 lakh. So now I got answer 1 lakh, but which option is that? It is option A, right? Option A is 1 lakh. So I got the answer A. So it is 1 lakh. Now we will move on with the second question. So second question is, in Hindu-Arabic place value system, the crores period has two places. You know the periods, right? So in that crores period we will be having two places, right? So they are 10 lakhs and crores. Is the statement true? We have to check that in crores period is that 10 lakh and crores we will get. So we have to write whether this statement is true or false. Okay. So you already know the place value system, right? So you know ones, tens, 100, right? So we'll write that first and we will write the periods also. So first it is ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore and 10 crore, right? So like this we are getting the place value system. So for this we have to write the periods, right? So this ones, tens, 100 is ones period, correct? Okay. Then 1000, 10,000. This is the 1000 period. And the lakh, 10 lakh. This is the lakh period. The last one crore and 10 crore is the crores period. Right? So check whether this statement is true or false. So they are saying that in crores period we will get 10 lakh and crore. Is that true? No, right? So we are getting 10 crore and crore in the crore periods. Right? So the statement is false. Okay. So this is the answer. Now we'll move on with the third question. So third question is, find the place value and face value of each digit of the following number. So for the given number we have to find the place value as well as the face value. So they have given, so ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore, 10 crore, and they have given the numbers. So we have to find the place value as well as the face value. So you already know that place value will change, but the face value will not change, right? So now we'll check that. So in ones place I have 1. So 1 ones. So how to write the place value? It is 1. Correct? So next, in tens place we have 8. So 8 tens. So 8 tens means it is 80. Correct? Next, 100, in 100 place they have given 9. So 9 hundreds. So how to write the place value? It is 900. Okay. So next, in 1000 place they have given 0. So 0 thousands. So 0 thousands means you can write only 1 0, right? No need to write the 4 zeros. So now 10,000, in 10,000 place they have given 5. So 5, 10,000. So how to write? First write 5 and 10,000. So you can write the zeros and then you can check ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000. So 5, 10,000. Next is the lakh place. In lakh place we have 3. So 3 lakh. So first we will write 3 and from lakh you can also do like this, and from lakh you can count how many places you have and you can write those many zeros. So after 3 I have here, you can count from here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it is 5 zeros. Okay. So same way the next 10 lakh. So in 10 lakh we have 2. So 2, 10 lakh. So same way first you are going to write 2 and next how many zeros? It is 6 zeros. So the next one, 7 crores, right? So I have written 7 crore. So how to write? So first we will write 7. So after 7 check how many digits we have. Those many zeros we are going to write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 7 zeros. Next we have 10 crore. In 10 crore place we have 5. So 5, 10 crore. So same way you will write 5 and how many zeros now? 8 zeros. So you can see here first I have written the place value. The next one what they said, after place value we have to write the face value. I told you face value will not change. So whatever the number they have given, same number you are going to write. That means in ones place you have 1. So write 1. Okay. Then in tens place we have 8. So write 8. So same way next in 100 place we have 9. So write 9. In 1000 place it is 0. So 0. In 10,000 place it is 5. 5. In lakh place it is 3. 3. In 10 lakh place it is 2. 2. In crore place it is 7. 7. And in 10 crore it is 5. So 5. So understood? Only the place value will change but not the face value. So this is the solution for third question. Now we'll move on with the fourth question. So fourth question is the smallest 9-digit number is. So we have to write the smallest 9-digit number here and it is read as dash. So first we have to write the smallest 9-digit number and how we will read that. So that also we are going to write. So as you know, the smallest 1-digit number is 1, correct? The smallest 2-digit number is 10. The smallest 3-digit number is 100. Correct? The smallest 4-digit number is 1000. So same way, so the number of digits you are going to say, so many numbers, zeros you are adding along with 1. So same way here, the smallest 9-digit number they are asking. That means, so we have to write 1, 0, 0, 0, so 9 digits we have to write. So 1, after 1 we are placing zeros, so how many zeros? 8 more zeros. So here already 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So this is the smallest 9-digit number, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So now we have to place the commas. So ones, tens, 100, comma, 1000, 10,000, comma, lakh, 10 lakh, comma. Right? So what answer we will get now? So we will get, so now what answer we are getting? Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore, 10 crore. That means it is 10 crore. So how I am reading? I am reading it as 10 crore. So what is the next we have to write? How we are going to read? Same way we are going to write. So it is 10 crore. So I am writing 10 crore. Clear? The smallest 9-digit number is 10 crore. Now we'll move on with the last fifth question, that is match the number in column A with the correct number name in column B. So in column A they have given the number, so in column B they have given number names. So according to this number we have to find out what is the number and we have to check in column B, so which is the correct option, so we have to match that. So they have already given the commas. So now we will check that. Ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore. So you know the place values, right? So it is crore. It is 1 crore. So check here. Here in the second we have 1 crore. So you need to match to 1 crore. Okay. So for column A they have given 1 crore and in column B they have given that in the number name, that is 1 crore. Thank you.